So the situation for FX traders is very difficult heading into Q3. We have had all the central banks responding to this crisis by cutting rates essentially to zero and all stuck in some form of negative or zero interest rate policy and some flavor of QE. So finding differentiation is difficult in today's FX market. We talk about that in this quarter's outlook. And most dominating of our attention in the coming quarter will be the direction of the US dollar. Again, a big reset happening in Q2, the big surge higher in the dollar as the crisis was unfolding, as is typical when the whole world is scratching around for dollar funding, and then a reset when the Fed responded with its massive liquidity boost. The direction of the dollar will dominate attention in Q3. We're not sure it's quite ready to roll over just yet because we think the market may be a little bit too optimistic about the shape of the recovery and that liquidity has gotten ahead of what the actual economic outcomes will prove. There's so much more to look at in the coming quarter, and I think it's going to be a quarter of transition as we look for the dollar to eventually fall, perhaps after the US election, which is also going to dominate attention in the third quarter.